Hi guys, welcome back to Dxlynlocs. I know it's been a minute. Life has been busy per usual. So first things first, this video will be about locks, instant locks on straight hair. And I'll just pretty much just take you guys along with me as I do it. This won't be too much of a descriptive video because I feel like it's really not much to it. It's just really tedious. I'll just give some info on what I'm doing and what I'm using. So first thing, I'm gonna part his hair out into like a random C-shaped pattern, which is what he wanted. And then I'm going to separate each section and work on each section separately. I'm gonna back comb first because he has straight hair to help me create the lock. I'm using a triple crochet tool. To form his locks, you can find this tool in the link in the description and in the comments. You can use a single, a double, or a triple for this. I like to go back in with a single just to polish everything up, but the bulk of the work I do with a triple because it is much faster. Now for the ends, I just continue to back comb, and then I'm going to seal the ends by turning the end up into the body of the lock that I've already done. And as you guys watch me do this, I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who subscribes and supports. Those of you who support online and offline, it is truly appreciated. As I said before, we have reached 100K, and I will be doing a special video for that and a giveaway video as well for that. So absolutely stay tuned, and thank you again. As I said here, I am sealing the ends. This is a bad angle because you're not really seeing what I'm doing. I'm gonna move the camera pretty soon. So as I said before, I pretty much just flip up the end and line it up with the shaft of the newly formed lock and use the crochet tool to mesh it and blend it in seamlessly. And I'm going to repeat this process for every other section that I part out. this is the finished product, and yes, it took 7 hours to do, but it was well worth it. As you can see, the results are very nice. Here's it in better lighting. We started in the afternoon, and of course it's evening time right now, and we are done. And I'm gonna style his hair in a way that looks like a retwist, but a retwist is not how you maintain straight hair. It is actually much different, and hopefully much different, and I may show that on this channel one of these days. But yes, a retwist is not how you maintain it. However, I wanted to achieve this style on his hair, and it looks really good. Thank you again for coming, Rick. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, of course. Bye, guys.